First of all, I want to say I'm happy because I'm here now in London and I get the chance to show the people about my work, about Palestine, and I get the chance to talk about the situation in Palestine and drawing my pictures. Photography is important as media is important. You know, without photograph and filming, people will not know about the situation. And when you know, like, when you choose this work, it's one of the most difficult things because you are carrying a very important message and you always have to be clear to send this message clear without lies, and you know, because the people have to trust you and to show the truth. And I think this is a very heavy thing I have to carry, and since all those years, and I'm actually happy to be here after a long time trying to get my visa to come and to tell the people the truth, maybe that, you know, sometimes the media don't tell them.